Today we'll talk about how can you play games on your Lumosity app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on games down here. When you just click here on games, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then here you click here on this game for example, then you click here on play now here. So then it's going to play with you here on your uh, Lumosity app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish know you I get it. That's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.